In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right GitHub app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get the right GitHub app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this Play Store app and tap on it. From here, using this search bar, search for your app by name, or if you can't see this top search bar, go ahead and tap on search icon down below. Then search for the app by name like that and tap on the search icon to search it. As you can see, this is the right app. It is from GitHub, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.5 with over 116,000 reviews. Currently, the app has been downloaded, has over 10 million downloads. I know this might have changed by the time you are watching this, and the file size is averagely 12 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of GitHub and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you can see we have our app here. Go ahead and tap on it to open, and this is the opening interface. Now you can sign in to start using it. So that's how you can download and install the right GitHub app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.